This picture was taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Each of these shiny objects on the screen is a galaxy on its own, with billions of stars. Thanks to the collective enterprise of science, today we know that there are 140 billion galaxies in the known universe. We also know the age of the universe, 13.8 billion years. 13.8 billion years ago, the greatest of all journeys began. The size and scale of the cosmos is beyond our imagination. Sometimes we need familiar terms to compare the universe with, for understanding the structure and nature of the cosmos. Today and together, we shall explore the universe in a way that we can understand it, a way for understanding its time scale. The cosmic calendar. The cosmic calendar compresses the history of the universe as if it has all happened over the period of 1 year. We take those 13.8 billion years and we divide it into 12 equal parts. To each of those parts, we call it a month. The universe begins on the 1st of January, and this moment, which I share with you right now, is the last moment of December 31st. But now let's go back to the beginning and explore the beginning of the cosmos, as we can only see through the eyes of science. In the beginning, everything around us, all of those 140 billion galaxies, everything that there is, ever was, or ever will be, was compressed into a single point, smaller than a grain of sand. Time was not yet existing, as strange as it seems. Because the clock of cosmic time didn't yet start ticking, the universe had to be invented for that to happen. On the 1st of January, well, there was a singularity. On the 1st of January, the greatest of all explosions, the Big Bang, the beginning of the cosmos, the beginning of space, the beginning of time. If the universe was invented on the 1st of January, it was only in the middle of the months that the first galaxies started to take shape and be formed. However, our galaxy, the Milky Way, only came to exist in the middle of March. Some stars start to be formed around June, July, August. Stars maybe with planets, maybe with intelligent life. However, our sun, the Earth, and the Moon were only formed in the beginning of September. At the end of the month, still in September, life finally appears on our planet. Very simple life, composed of single cells. A couple of billion years later, in November, sex was finally invented. There was a long time without it. The next image depicts explicit sex between algae. As boring as it might seem, these beings were pioneering for the benefit of future species. Some of those species were the dinosaurs, and they ruled the earth for ages. However, the last one of them died on the 30th of December. Everything that humans ever done, ever felt, ever lived, happens at the very end of the year. The last day, December 31st. Humans, inquisitive men and women, we have emerged so recently that all the events in recorded history take only the last few seconds of the year. So let's change the scale from months and days to minutes and seconds. In this new scale, each minute represents 30,000 years, and each day, each second represents around 500 years. At 11:30 p.m., the first humans appear, and they began the journey for understanding who we are and where do we come from, and how do we relate to the universe. We have looked at fire, and we were bewildered with its power. But it was only at 1146, 14 minutes ago, that we discovered how to create it. Does anyone like dogs?
Yes.
Yes? At 11:59, 20 seconds, the last minute of the year, the 20th second, the domestication of plants and animals begins, along with the application of the human talent for creation of tools, tools of wood, tools of bone, tools of stone. Some wolves started to get closer to humans. They slowly evolved into all the races of dogs that we can see today. At 11:59, 35th second, the settling of agriculture communities and the evolution into the first cities. 10 seconds ago, the Egypt and the birth of astronomy. 4 seconds ago, the Roman Empire. 1 second ago, the Renaissance in Europe and the invention of the scientific methods. 0.1 second ago, Second World War. 13.8 billion years. Wow, that seems like a lot of time, but it is not. The universe is just beginning its own story. The story of the universe is going to be so long that these 13.8 billion years are just the blink of an eye in the future drama of cosmic space-time. We on Earth have just awakened to the awesome machinery of the cosmos. We have seen that humans have the power and ingenuity for creation, but also for destruction. We have a choice. We can choose to enhance life and come to know and understand the universe that made us, or we can squander our 13.8 billions of cosmic evolution into meaningless self-destruction. Thank you.